Welcome each and everyone to another episode of Island Food Time. I am Chef Henry. I'm going to show you how to make carrot juice Jamaican style. I have carrots and I have them already washed. Jamaican rum, can't leave that one out. And dragon stout. I will be using condensed milk to sweeten the carrot juice. And a piece of ginger. And I also would add a little sugar, but I use liquid sugar mostly in my kitchen. You can use regular sugar if you have regular sugar. Let's get on with this carrot juice recipe. I'm going to start peeling the carrots. I like to peel them into a plate so I can just discard the skin easily. Now I finish peeling the carrots, it's time to peel the ginger. So you can get it ready for when you're blending up, everything just blend easy. It's always good to prepare all of your ingredients so they are right at your fingertip. Now I finish peeling the ginger, I'm just going to add it into the bowl with the carrots. So now it's time to cut up the carrots. I will be using my blender to extract the juice, so I'm going to cut it in nice size where my blender can handle. Now I finish cut up all the carrots and I go through and I do all the refined cuttings, like even this piece I found inside there. I'm just going to cut it into smaller pieces. So you always want to go and refine the cuts just to ensure you don't overpower your blender. Now I'm just going to cut up the ginger. I'm using 5 pounds of carrots. So this amount of ginger, it's about, I would say, a couple ounces of ginger. This is more than a thumb size. So I'm just going to cut it in as well. So it's go through the process of blending. Same with the carrot. I'm going to use a squeeze bag, but it have a finer mesh quality where you can use it to extract juice. It's good at extracting. Now I'm going to blend the carrots. I have my blender set up and I have 2 cups of water. I always start out with 2 cups of water inside the blender. And I have 6 cups of water into this juice jug. And I'm just going to start blending. This water is just to replenish the blender. It's necessary in making juice. You always have everything ready and ready to go. Now I'm going to add more water. Now I'm going to transfer this rest of carrot into a different bowl. Because I'm going to need a bigger bowl. So I'm going to start blending. So the first batch is finished blending. Now I'm going to start extracting it. I just drape this squeeze bag all the way over. I move my bowl in front and hold the bag and just start pour. When I get all the juice out, so you have to use a little muscle. And now the first batch is finished. I'm gonna blend up the rest of carrots. Now I want to get my squeeze bag empty out. When I blend the rest, it's all ready to go. I'm just gonna set it on my cutting board. Now I'm on the final part of extracting the carrot juice. I have the carrot in the blender. I have 1 can of condensed milk, which is 2/3 of a cup of milk. And I have just half a cup of liquid sugar. So I'm gonna add it right into the blender. So this way it's easier getting mixed out and sweetened at the same time. And I want to get all of that milk. So I'm gonna add water. Then close and extract. Back to the squeeze bag. This is way easier. You're getting the juice sweetened at the same time as you're squeezing it. And remember, if you want more sugar, you can always add more. And that's the final. Now I'm gonna do a taste. I'm gonna add a little more sugar. Time to add the dragon stout. And I'm gonna teach you a few tricks. Pour the dragon, and meanwhile you're pouring it, you just keep mixing. I've exercised it a lot lately. Now for a taste. And the right amount of ginger is inside here as well. Now for the rum. I was gonna use a shot glass, but I'm gonna do a free pour. Remember, if you're driving, this is not the drink for you, and it's just a drink where you have inside. And that's a half a cup of rum because this rum was right here. Follow everything in this carrot juice recipe. You make this carrot juice, you will love this carrot juice. So I'm gonna taste and see how much alcohol is inside this. That would do for alcohol. So remember, always have the Jamaican rum. I'm gonna transfer the juice into a juice jug. This carrot juice recipe, it's the best carrot juice recipe. And I'm gonna place my cover on. Now, I'm excited to try this carrot juice in front of you guys. So I'm gonna grab a glass with ice. I have the glass ready, and I have a couple cubes of ice just to chill it down. And I'm gonna pour this refreshing carrot juice. Cheers, everybody. I want you all to go and get carrots and try this carrot juice recipe. Make it for yourself, because I'm enjoying myself right now with a nice cold glass of carrot juice. I'll put everything in the description and how to make this, the thing that you need for the recipe. And I also want you guys to like the video. Feel free to comment. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. There's lots of video. Just start watching all the video all the way to the end, and I'm gonna keep on posting good videos like this amazing carrot juice recipe, Jamaican style. And if you make this drink, always remember to drink responsibly. You don't have to make it that strong where you cannot have one drink. Go enjoy your day and enjoy the channel from Catch a Glass Alai, Drink Alai.